Hello friends, I am Chitaranjan Mahapatra. Today we are going to revisit the most repeated questions of Bank PO and clerk exams. The objective of this video is to anticipate upcoming questions by revisiting previous papers and add value to our precious time. We have altered a couple of questions according to recent scenario. Let's start our journey. What is the new name of BSE index? A. Dow Jones BSE index, Nasdaq BSE index, S&P BSE index, Euronext BSE index. And the answer is C, S&P BSE index. So this is the logo of BSE index. Bombay Stock Exchange, which was incorporated in 1875, is the oldest stock exchange in India. The sensitive index of BSE is Sensex. Deepak Mohoni coined the term Sensex in 1989. Sensex is the weighted average of 30 most actively traded shares in India's capital market. It has been published since 1st January 1986. Its base year is 1978 and 79. Question number 62. Pre-shipment finance is provided by the banks only to A. Credit card holders, B. Students aspiring for further studies, C. Brokers in equity market, D. Exporters. And the answer is exporters. Question number 63. Banking ombudsman is appointed by A. Government of India, B. State governments, C. RBI, D. ECGC. And the answer is RBI. This is the logo of RBI. A banking ombudsman is a quasi-judicial authority. It was first introduced in 1995. The current scheme was introduced in 2006. There are 22 regional offices of banking ombudsman. The holidays for the banks are declared as per A. Reserve Bank of Act, B. Banking Regulation Act, C. Negotiable Instrument Act, D. Securities and Exchange Board of India Act. And the answer is Negotiable Instrument Act. Negotiable Instrument Act was enacted in 1881. There are three types of negotiable instrument: check, bill of exchange, and promissory note. Question number 65. In banking business, when the borrowers avail a term loan, initially they are given a repayment holiday, and this is referred as A. Subsidy, B. Interest waiver, C. Rephasing, D. Moratorium. And the answer is moratorium. It is an important question. Question number 66. Banks in India are required to maintain a portion of their demand and time liabilities with the Reserve Bank of India. This portion is called A. Reverse repo rate, B. Cash reserve ratio, C. Bank deposit, D. Statutory liquidity ratio. And the answer is cash reserve ratio. It is decided by RBI's Monetary Policy Committee. Its objective is to maintain appropriate inflation, control money supply, and liquidity in the market. It is kept in bank's vault or sent to the RBI. Banks don't get any interest on the money. A non-performing asset is A. Money at call and short notice, B. An asset that ceases to generate income, C. Cash balance in till, D. Cash balance with the RBI. And the answer is an asset that ceases to generate income. If the interest or principal or both is unpaid for more than 90 days in Indian banking system is known as NPA. There are three types of NPA. A substandard means the money is not collected within 90 days to 12 months. Doubtful, money is not collected. the period more than 12 months, and loss NPA means no chance of recovery. To recover NPA, SARFAESI Act was passed in 2002. Question number 68. Which of the following organizations is made specifically responsible for empowering micro, small and medium enterprises in India? In NABARD, the RBI, C SIDBI, the ECGC. And the answer is SIDBI. This is the logo of SIDBI. SIDBI refers to Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Its headquarters is in Lucknow. SIDBI Act was passed in 1989. It was established on April 2, 1990. Recently, the largest holder of SIDBI is SBI, and SBI has 16.73% stake of SIDBI. 69 question. Number 69. The Reserve Bank of India has been critical of home loan with comparatively low interest rates in the initial year but higher in the subsequent years, which are properly known as the A teaser rates, B cheater rates, C twister rates, D cheaper rates. And the answer is teaser rates. Question number 70. Which of the following nations is not a member of SAARC? A. Nepal, B. Mauritius, C. Bhutan, D. Afghanistan. And the answer is Mauritius. This is the logo of SAARC. This is the logo of SAARC. This is the picture of location of the member countries. There are 8 members: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and India. Afghanistan is the newest member. The first SAARC summit was held in Dhaka in 7 and 8 December 1985, and the first Secretary General was Abu Hassan of Bangladesh. And SAARC refers to South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you. You can find me at edusuccessmantra@gmail.com. Again, thanks for watching this video.